Hello, just one more recording, just in case you had some questions about the competence side of things, because I know we didn't get a chance to talk in person about what's due and when and what that looks like. So again, we're on module number 1. You can see your getting started video here, and then we also have the content that you should have already gone through, and now the competence. So in the competence piece, this is where we're proving we know what we're talking about. So let me get this logged in here. First up is this APA assignment. It's pretty easy. It's only like 10 questions long. If you went through the APA PowerPoint in the competence folder, or in the content folder, sorry, then you should have no problem filling out this APA assignment. I did address all of it in that presentation. There is also, of course, all of the answers in your book, and they were taken directly out of your book. So if you have any questions, let me know, but this should be a pretty easy assignment for you. Then we have the plagiarism tutorial completion. That one is that outside link, so you're supposed to print off the certificate. That certificate just needs to be uploaded into this spot here. And then your outline. So your outline, again, will be uploaded as soon as you're ready for it. And just to let you know what this looks like here. All right. You have novice, competent, and proficient. This is how all of the outlines in this class work. Novice would be, we didn't quite meet what we needed to. We're not novices anymore. So novice would be, you maybe didn't do any of the APA headings appropriately. You didn't use double spacing, or you had a lot of spelling errors, things like that. Competent means you got it, but you didn't get it well. And then, of course, proficient means it was perfect, or just about as close to perfect as we can expect it to be. So you do need a title page set up just like your paper is going to be set up. Just title it with the title of your paper. In fact, you can use that title page in the future if you would like. You can use this outline actually to build the rest of your paper if you would prefer to. But make sure that it is set up in APA formatting. Again, please check out that presentation so that if you have any questions about APA, we can answer them for you. Let's see here. So on introduction of topic, there's no level heading for the introduction. So you want a brief paragraph about your topic. Just tell me what it is, tell me what you're looking for, tell me what you think you're going to see. Give me all that good information. For themes, we want a level 2 header with 3 or more themes identified. We just want themes about your paper. So to kind of correlate with the example that I use in that APA PowerPoint, we had strength training for older people. So I would want something about the methodology or the theme or the framework of why I'm doing the research or what I'm relating it to for a model or a theory. And then I need some information on things that involve strength training for older people. So for example, one of my topics was that bone density can be increased by strength training. Another one would be increased mobility and capability of staying at home for longer. So you want your main points of your topic. Now for a 10-page paper, you probably need 3 to 5 main points, depending on how much you're able to elaborate on them. Then your conclusion, you just need a level 2 header there with a clear wrap-up of your concept. I don't expect you to have a written wrap-up of your concept because you haven't done the research yet to determine what your story is. So just write the conclusion down there and then make sure that it's double-spaced, it's got the correct grammar and the correct spelling. Okay. Now, you do not have to make this a linear page. A lot of people will start this out just like they would their paper and then fill in pieces of their paper after the fact. But if you would prefer to make a concept map, if you don't think very well linearly and you want to do something a little bit more visually, that's fine with me. Just make sure that it is uploaded as a PDF so that I can read it. JPEGs don't always come through. All right, so from there, you would still need to do your statistics test. Those are not due until April 12th, so you have a little bit of time, and that is in the Statistically Speaking folder, as well as the presentations that you need to review those topics. So if you have any questions, let me know. Happy to help.